Sponsored by Jeans Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram, the official dealership of Life in Alaska.
Into the Fairbanks Evening News, Mike Schultz with you once again, taking a look at the weather, and again a beautiful day across the interior. More melting going on. I'm loving to see that. We're looking at maybe some cooler temperatures moving in over the weekend that may bring a few flakes of snow even in the evening hours, but we'll talk about that just a little bit. Nothing to get excited about. Here's our photograph for tonight. This one, a really cool shot. This is an osprey on the Chena River sent in by Bob Levesque. I hope I'm pronouncing that name right. As you can see there, it's picking up a grayling. Obviously doesn't believe in the catch and release program. But again, a nice photograph from Bob. And again, if you have a photograph to share, send it to Mike Schultz at KTVF11.com. Out at the airport right now, 53 degrees after a high of 55. Record high 84, 1995. Record low 7 in 1964. Sunrise and sunset 18 hours and 9 minutes of daylight. That's a gain of 7 minutes from yesterday. Satellite picture a little more ominous. As you can see, more moisture coming in from the southeast, and it's starting to work its way across the Alaska range. Doesn't have any real precipitation with it, but as this cold front comes in from the west, the two of them meeting up may give us a few problems tomorrow night into Sunday. We'll talk more about that in just a little bit. What's going on across the rest of the state? Well, not a whole lot to talk about. Sunny skies to partly cloudy skies over southeast Alaska. Clouds up and down the west coast, but you don't see anything really bad coming in our direction. That's the good news. And cloudy skies at Barrow, Fort Yukon, 55 degrees and sunny skies. Lower 48 weather tonight. Once again, beautiful weather over the western half of the country. 89 degrees in Las Vegas, even warmer in Phoenix. Out to the east, we're moving some showers and thunderstorms, some of those heavy across the New Orleans area. In fact, you can see them really rolling across New Orleans into Mobile, Alabama. Then more storms across Texas, some of those bringing 3-inch size hail today. A lot of activity there. And the jet stream for the first part of next week. Again, once showing a lot of movement, as you can see, coming off the Pacific Ocean, way up to the north over Canada, then diving down, bringing that cool air across the northeast, while the rest of the country stays very warm and very hot and dry. All right, well, back to Alaska for tomorrow, looking at snow showers in Barrow, partly cloudy skies in Nome, and also partly cloudy skies expected at Fort Yukon. Here in the interior, we're looking at more clouds moving in, some showers in the evening hours for both Healy and Fairbanks. And temperatures not quite as warm as today. Over southeast Alaska, the rain has returned of widespread rainfall from Juneau all the way down to Ketchikan. And over the southwest part of the states, we're seeing rain and snow for Cold Bay, rain at Kodiak, and cloudy skies in Bethel. Over south central regions, it looks like maybe some rain showers at Homer. Otherwise, cloudy skies expected for Valdez and Anchorage. And it is time once again for our pollen count. And we're going to take a look at that and show you that we're looking at, again, low levels of mold. Otherwise, the rest of them are dormant right now, absent. Again, thanks to the folks at Tanana Valley Clinic for giving us that pollen count each day. Okay, so here's your forecast. 33, the overnight low, above freezing. How about that? Increasing clouds and continued mild. Tomorrow's forecast, 53 degrees with, again, a chance of some showers developing in the evening hours, and with the cooler air coming in, could see a few flakes of snow, but nothing to get excited about. It's not the end of our spring by any means. And the extended forecast, again, as you can see, we're going to cool off a little bit on Monday, 48 degrees for the high, but we're going to start rebounding by Wednesday and Thursday, 50 to 55 degrees, and temperatures, overnight lows will still be very comfortable around the freezing mark. So all in all, not too bad. And the weekend, like I said, for Mother's Day, we're going to be optimistic and say no showers to worry about.